What's up, guys? Today we're doing a little vlog, iPhone-ish version. Today where are we?
We're at Fire and Rice.
Fire and Rice food truck. So come on, let's check it out.
So we actually got connected with the owners and creators of a pretty popular food truck place called Fire and Rice. So we decided to go give it a try, and we went over there and it ended up being pretty bomb.
We just ordered our food. We've got the deep fried spam musubi, and what's the other thing?
I forgot.
Okay, well, we'll show you guys the food when we get it.
Alrighty, let's do it. This right here is the spam and egg musubi. Look at that. We got this sunny side up egg with the spam.
This is the panko breaded deep fried spam musubi. And then on top they have the house sauce and then the wasabi aioli.
Wasabi, oh, it's a wasabi sauce. It is really good. So they put some sauce in here, they put some crispy stuff on top. This is their top item, he said. This right here, what is this, Tao?
This is the garlic fried chicken musubi. Ooh, just dropped something. This is the crispy chicken thigh tossed with sweet garlic shoyu sauce.
I don't even know how to bite this.
Musubi.
How big that is.
Ooh, that crunch. Good?
Mmm. It's so good.
This is the egg and spam musubi.
Look at the yolk.
That's really good.
This is worth trying, especially that chicken musubi. Oh my god. Alright. Peace.
Bye.
Bye.